What's up, guys? GoodeZilla back again. It's the middle of January, yeah, and just waiting for the track to open back up. I know I haven't posted a video. It's because the last two, or maybe even no, the last three attempts of going to the track to run this thing here, it got canceled due to weather, either high winds, cold, or rain. So anyway, I just want to make a little update video. I got a cool little product in the mail today. It's a new trunk light. I'll show you here in a second. But it's also a pretty cheap mod, and I mean, it's a pretty good upgrade. So here, check out this little mod here. Freddie English over at Fred Tech Lights or Lighting. I'll leave a link in the description below, but it's basically just an upgrade. You pop out the stock trunk bulb, and then this has double-sided tape. I mean, I'll do an after once I get it installed, but I wanted to just show you. I went extra. Got the, different colors, all that stuff, and also just normal white. Oh, nice lighting upgrade. He didn't ask me to do this either, so I paid full price. I just think it's a cool little product, so check it out. There you go. FredTechLighting.com. He sells all that other stuff too. I haven't experienced any of it, but the trunk light kits, that's what I got. So don't mind my kids playing outside. There you go. So let's see what it looks like when I actually have it installed up there. There's a double-sided tape on this part. I think this is the sensor, like if you want to change the color, so you can let that hang down a little bit. And then this whole strip has double-sided tape too. So let's see where the best place to put it is. Right here. Yeah, that's pretty good. There's a smooth surface right up here. I think that's what I'm going to do. Try and make it even. Alright, that part was easy. And that can hang there. And this little clip piece. You just put the wires in through there to get them up out of the way. Or you can zip tie, but it's convenient that he included this little thing. So that's cool. All right. Yeah, there you go. Not bad. Change the colors. Apparently you can do like alternating or fading and color changing, whatever. So yeah, cool. Alright guys, so that's where the stock bulb goes, so it just plugs into there. And then I have it I mean, I might clean it up some more, but for a 30-second job, it's not bad. And then it just goes across the front here, all the way to the end. So then I'll turn off my light here, and I'll turn this back on, and there you go. Not bad. Cool. So, you know, your trunk light turns off when your trunk closes, so you don't have to worry about it always being on, because it literally just acts as the bulb did before. So not bad. Thanks, Fred. All right, trunk light test. Closing the trunk. Opening the trunk. Okay, let's see if it turned off. Well, guys, thanks for watching my quick little update video. The only things that I've really changed since my last video is I raised up the two-step, the launch RPMs to 6,500, just because the grip that the new Mickey Thompsons had were just putting it on its face after it tried to launch, unless I like super slip the clutch. I don't like doing that. So I raised the RPMs, and it seemed to work on the street anyway. So when we get to the track, it might be a different story with the prep on the track. So we'll see. But you know, the track around my area doesn't open up until March, and even then it might be, you know, snowing or rain or super cold. It just depends. So it'll probably be mid-March or into the springtime before I can get to the track. But yeah, I guess just follow along on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook, and see if there's any updates, and I'll keep you posted. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned. See ya.